A very good morning to all the students. How are you? Today we are going to start our new chapter of geography resources. Before starting the chapter, there are some general instructions that everyone had to be followed. First of all, you have to prepare geography notebook one-sided plane as you have earlier prepared in the 7th class. Now we will start the chapter resources. Anything that fulfill our human need is called resources, like water, like trees, like aeroplane, like train. These are the things which fulfill our basic needs, and these are called resources. Resources have mainly three categories: natural resource, which are occurring naturally. Natural resources are those resources which are occur naturally. Human made resource and human resources. Human made resources are those resources which are by human, and human resources are the population of that country. It is also counted as a resources, because when an educated and skilled person in a country are there, they can make many new things. Now start the topic. Resource. Natural resources can be of three types: biotic and abiotic, ubiquitous and localized, renewable and non-renewable, actual and potential resources. Now start with the biotic resources. Biotic resources are those resources which are living thing, formed from the living thing, such as human being, animal. These are biotic resources, whereas abiotic resources are those resources in which non-living things occurred, like minerals, road, water, land. These are abiotic resources. Ubiquitous and localized resources. Eukaryotic resources are those resources which are found everywhere on the earth, like sunlight, like air, whereas localized resources are some specified resources which are found in a specific area, like coal. In India, coal is found in the Chota Nagpur plateau, not everywhere in the India. Now our next category is renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources that can be generated after use, like water. Water can be regenerated once a water is finished or used. It can be regenerated easily, whereas non-renewable resources are those resources which take millions of years to be regenerated. It takes millions of years, like coal. If a coal is finished, it will take millions of years to be regenerated. Now the other resources. Now the other category is actual resource. Actual resources are those resources which are found on the earth. We have appropriate technology and we know the quality and quantity of the resource. We can exploit them, like the coal. We know that the coal is found in India in the Chota Nagpur plateau, and we can exploit them easily, whereas the potential resources are those resources which we do not have the appropriate technology to utilize them. We know that these are resources found in the nature, but we do not have the appropriate technology, like the minerals located under the Antarctica. We know that the minerals are located in the Antarctica, but we do not have the appropriate technology to utilize them. Now the human resource. It is the important resource of any country. By the education and the skill they have, they can develop many things. That's why they are counted in the human resource. Some countries, like the Bhutan, they do not have a proper human resource. That's why they are in the backside, or they are underdeveloped country, whereas the America has most appropriate skilled and technological resources. That's why they are counted as a developed country. Human made resources. Anything which are prepared by the human are called human made resources, like train, aeroplane. Everything are called the human resources. Now, our last topic and the most important topic is conservation of resources. Conservation means to save the resources. But why there is a need of conservation of resources? Because if we do not conserve the resources, they will be finished off easily, and after many years, for the future generation, there should be nothing to be used. Like coal, we have the sufficient amount of coal on the earth, but if we are using it at the rapid rate, it will be finished off, and there should be no coal for the future generation. We can see the coal in the museum only. That's why we should conserve the resources. Now there are some general instructions before starting the exercise. Everyone had to do glossary in their notebook. Now exercise. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. Leather is a dash resource. Leather is counted in a biotic resource because it formed from the animal. Minerals like iron ore, copper, lead and are a biotic resource because they are counted in the non-living thing. Abiotic resources come from non-living thing. Minerals cannot be used because we do not have technology to exploit them, are called potential resources. Education and skill increase the value of human resource. The resources, now the next exercise, choose the correct answer. The resources derived from living thing are called biotic resource. One of these is not a biotic resource. These are human being because they are biotic resource. One of these is not an example of a skilled resource, potter, because potter is not a skilled resources. One of these is not a human made resource, Sundarban Delta. Sundarban Delta is natural resource. The minerals which cannot be extracted because we do not have technology to do so, that are example of potential resource. Now the matching. Coal is a non-renewable resources. Motor car is human made resource. Sugarcane is a biotic resource because sugar is a plant. Doctor come into the human resources, whereas water non-renewable resource. Now our next exercise is true or false. Water is a renewable resource? Yes, water is a renewable resource. Coal is a renewable resource? False, because coal is non-renewable resource. It cannot be regenerated. Abiotic resources are found everywhere. True. Potential resources which can be extracted easily? False, because we do not have the appropriate technology. We do not need to conserve resources. False, because for the further generation we need to conserve resources. Now in the next session we will start our exercises. I will provide it into the PDF form. The question answer should be in the PDF form. Thank you very much.